Hey everybody, welcome back. So, after quite a little hiatus, it's time to get back to work on the Ovation Deacon copy. Alright, so what I'm going to do today is we're going to take this neck blank, which has been sitting on the bench for wow, 6 or 7 months, and has not warped. That's a good thing. So we're going to take it over to the bandsaw and we're going to start shaping it up. And I want to show you something that I did to my bandsaw, which makes it a whole lot more maneuverable. Alright, so here's my bandsaw, and what I did is I made a rollaway cart for it. Because if you ever tried to move a bandsaw, you know they're a pain in the butt. And I'm working with tight quarters here in my garage, so that's pretty cool. I can move it anywhere I want, move it out of the way. I'm also going to be, as you can see, this workbench right here is just a freaking mess. Haven't cleaned this shop in a while, but I'm going to be taking the spindle sander and the planer, and I'm going to be buying a couple more of these carts. This is a mess because I'm still working on the Camry, as you know, putting the motor in the Camry. Going to be getting a couple more of those because they were 69 bucks. And I'm going to be putting my tools on top of those so I can roll them in and out. And then, you know, they come with a power strip built in. Excuse me. Now the cart is 69 bucks. It's got a drawer, you know, storage space underneath it. This right here, just the casters and the 2x4s to build this. I already had the plywood base here in the shop. Was 65 bucks. So it just doesn't seem to make any sense to make a rollaway cart for this when you could just buy this, right, for $5 more. Because those casters, I think they were like 12 bucks a piece. And they're pretty cool, you know, lock into position. And the one thing that I like about this is it raised the saw up quite high. So I like that. You're not bending over, cutting anything. You're just basically straight on. It's like this comes up to like just below my chest now. So that's pretty cool. Alright, so let's get to work. Alright, so we're going to run the saw down the sides of the fretboard and then shape up the headstock. So, shall we get to work? Yes, we shall. All right, got that all trimmed up. Having a hard time seeing that pencil line, so I'm going to retrace the headstock shape with a fine line Sharpie marker. My eyes are getting old. As along with the rest of me. Much better. All right, let's take it back to the bandsaw and finish it up. So, you may have noticed that I was using the bandsaw in a slightly unconventional manner. Sort of shaving the edge of the wood. And let me show you how we do that. Just sort of, you have your wood that you're cutting, and you just barely touch the teeth of the blade and pull it across like this, and it just shaves the very edge, kind of turns your bandsaw into a rasp, and it works quite well. So in case you didn't know that, try it next time you want to get into like a tight little corner or a round corner and you want to get up to the line. Saves you a little time in sanding. The lovely Mrs. B brought me out a hot, fresh cup of coffee. She's awesome. Either that or she's buttering me up for something. I wouldn't put it past her. Well, got the basic shape done. Starting to look like a neck now. Toughest part's going to be routing this half circle right in here. I was looking online to see if I could find a tool to do it, but apparently, to me anyway, it seems that Ovation probably has a custom router bit made for them to do this. So I'm not going to get out of it easy. I'm going to have to, I don't know how I'm going to do that. We'll leave that for the next video. So, let's go bring this one to a close. It's good to be back working on guitars again. Can't wait to finish that car though. Anyway, you guys behave yourself. We'll see you in the next video. Like and subscribe if you think I deserve it. And we'll see you next time. Peace.